Happy New Year from Paris, France, again. When I put out these videos showing that I'm working and traveling at the same time as a digital nomad, AI instructional designer, I have people ask me, so how do you do your setup so that you can get good video and good audio? Well, with AI, you really don't have to worry about the video because everything's pretty much animation. If I'm not using beyond 2D animation, I'm using something like Kling or OpenArt, something like that for the visual. And then for audio, what I like to use is a little lavalier clip-on mic that has a windscreen on it. And it's a clip-on that is wired. That way I cut back on the chance of any kind of interference. And I use a clip-on that has a wired connection to what looks kind of like a thumb drive that goes in a USB port. And it also has a mini stereo plug connection on it so that I can get real-time audio monitoring. So it's really good for that. And then I take that narration audio and I will normalize it through Audacity, okay? And then I will take that, and if I'm going to use it for a voice clone, the voice clone will clean it up on the other end. It'll come out clean in the voice of the clone itself, but with my delivery. If I'm using my own voice, then I'm going to run that audio first through Adobe Podcast Voice Enhancer. Now, if it's got a lot of background noise or echo, then I'll run it through this platform that's called LaLaL.ai that is designed for music and separating vocals from music. But I've always used it for separating background noise from vocals. Now it has settings for both. Then you can take that audio, bring it into your video editing platform along with your visuals, and then sync everything up. If you're using AI video generation, then I like to go to design and do the lip sync there and then bring that into my video editor. But as far as echo foam and stuff like that, nowadays you don't need that. And I should know because when I started in decades ago in radio broadcasting, we were using reel-to-reel tape decks. Okay, that's how long I've been doing this. And now, you don't need all that stuff. You don't even really need echo foam because of, things like AI processing. Plus, a clip-on lavalier mic is very localized. It doesn't pick up a lot of noise from far away. And the other thing is, if you're doing training videos as an instructional designer, you don't need your characters to sound like a DJ on a big, powerful broadcasting microphone or podcasting microphone. That's not necessary. And it's not going to be as realistic as it would be if your characters sound like they're actually in the place that they're supposed to be. So take those things into consideration, which should help you in your goals of creating good multimedia content for your training content. All right? Okay. Anyway, I wish you the best of luck with your production. And from Paris, France, have an awesome day.